very large sum of money from the last budget has still not been spent. Industrial growth is going down, so are the finances of our state. It seems that the double-engine government is going in reverse gear. The prices of essential commodities is affecting everyone. The suicide of farmers continue. Women are not getting work in Mission Shakti. Unemployment is spiraling. To announce large sums of money in the budget is not important. What has to be done is the expenditure of those sums for the development of our state. I repeat again that this is a budget which must be spent. We will watch and see what is to be done.